Hi, I'm Stefan, Application Technician, LIQUI MOLY USA. We're going to talk some more about additives for your engine and how that can help you save money and keep your car going. Everybody wants more power out of their car. They want the engine to last longer, less fuel mileage, and all those good things. One of the things that can help you is our MoS2 Anti-Friction Additive. When added to the oil of the engine, this will actually cut down on friction internally. It'll put a thin moly layer in between the metal friction surfaces, coat them, and protect the engine. Even if you were to run low on oil pressure, this will help protect the engine and give it that extra time to survive. All you got to do is add this at the oil change, add it to the oils. Once you start the car, the process is ongoing. Benefits are less wear and tear, less fuel, better fuel consumption, and you spend less money on repairs on your car. And if you want to get an even better effect, use this with one of our approved engine oils. And before you change the oil, use our engine cleaner that cleans out the interior of the engine, gets rid of sludge, any lacquer buildup, anything inside breaks down and liquefies it, and when you drain the oil, it'll come out with the old oil. Okay? And that's how you do it to keep your engine running. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.